Hi guys and girls, and this is a small video to fix the error we were getting last time, which is this one. When you press play, we collect all these coins and then we get these damn errors. So now let's fix that. Go into the coin blueprint and let's build this back a little bit. This pin right here as player sphere, right click and promote this to a variable. Name this variable player reference, and then hook this up to this and then to this, and hold alt and remove this pin, and now drag out the player reference and get it and hook this up to target. Compile this, then press play. Now we collect all this coin, then we escape out, then see, blammo, no errors. So that is all for this video guys, so see you guys in the next one.